What happens to your body if you start running every day? Running is one of the simplest, most accessible, and most effective forms of physical activity. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to level up your fitness, adding a daily running habit can transform your health in powerful ways. But what exactly happens to your body when you start running every day? Stick around until the end because we're diving into all the amazing benefits. And we'll even talk about how to do it safely, whether it's outdoors or on a treadmill. Let's get started. 1. You'll be happier. One of the most immediate changes you'll notice is a boost in your mood. Studies show that even a 30-minute run can significantly reduce symptoms of depression. No need to sprint or run hard. Even running at a walking pace can release endorphins, the feel-good chemicals responsible for that famous runner's high. Over time, this can lead to improved mental well-being and stress reduction. 2. Stronger knees and joints. You might have heard that running is bad for your knees, but science says otherwise. In fact, runners are less likely to suffer from knee pain than non-runners. The reason? Running helps you maintain a healthy body weight, strengthens your muscles, and improves bone density. The repetitive impact actually stimulates your joints, ligaments, and tendons to become stronger and more resilient. 3. A healthier heart. Running is a form of aerobic exercise, which is essential for heart health. Just 10 minutes of slow jogging a day has been shown to significantly reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Over time, running improves circulation, lowers blood pressure, and strengthens your heart muscle. To keep your heart in top shape, consistency is key. So yes, daily running makes a big difference. 4. Sharper brain function. Struggling with memory or focus? Lace up your sneakers and hit the pavement. Aerobic activity like running increases blood flow to the brain, which enhances cognitive function, memory, and concentration. Scientific studies have confirmed that regular running can help you stay mentally sharp and may even protect against age-related cognitive decline. 5. Better sleep quality. In a small study, participants who ran for 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week, reported sleeping better and experiencing deeper, more restful sleep. Not only did their sleep quality improve, but their overall mental state also got a boost. If you struggle with insomnia or restless nights, a daily run could be the natural solution you've been looking for. 6. Stronger immunity. Running doesn't just make you fitter, it can actually help you get sick less often. Aerobic exercise has been linked to a stronger immune system, and regular 30-minute sessions can reduce your risk of many illnesses, including certain types of cancer. It's an investment in your long-term health. Treadmill versus outdoor running. What's better? Many new runners ask, is it better to run outside or on a treadmill? The answer depends on your environment and personal preferences. Running outside is psychologically more rewarding. You feel the movement, the fresh air, and the changing scenery can be motivating. It also engages your muscles differently due to varied terrain. However, if you live in a polluted area with heavy traffic or factory emissions, running indoors on a treadmill with filtered air might be healthier. Running every day can truly transform your body and mind. From boosting your mood and burning calories to improving heart health and brain function, the benefits are endless. So, are you ready to start running every day? Whether you prefer the treadmill or the great outdoors, the key is to stay consistent, listen to your body, and enjoy the journey. Tell us in the comments, do you run? If so, where do you prefer, the street or the treadmill? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and check out more videos on the screen now for even more fitness and health tips. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.